question 3 is another local question, which means a new sketch, because we have to accommodate the new if, which is that r is going to be first. Now, if r is first, it'll definitely be in front of t, which is going to trigger the second rule. If r is in front of t, s has to be in front of t as well. Now remember, s has to be in front of v, so we can add that to a little fork in our sketch. And now think about rule 3, which says that w has to have the same relation to t as it has to r. If r is first, then w will be after it. So that means that w will be after t as well. So add that to the chain that we've got going, and notice that basically that's everybody. And everybody has to be after s, which means that s will definitely go into the second slot, followed by t, w, and v in some combination. And there are ultimately 3 combinations they could go in. T has to be in front of w, v can take up any other space, so it could go twv, put v at the end. It could go tvw, put v in the middle of t and w. Or it could go vtw, with v up front. Again, you might not have to write all 3 underneath. You can read that off of the sketch on the right, but if you're having trouble, definitely write it down. But with that, we can go on to the answer choices. Now, this is a could be true question, so all we're looking for is something that could be true. 4 of the answer choices will be things that are impossible, and when we find something that's possible, we'll be able to pick it. Answer choice A says that T is the second piece on the CD, which we can see can't happen because S is the second piece on the CD. Answer choice B says that V is the third piece, which we can see can happen. V could be third in front of T and W, so B is our answer. On the day of the test, you should go ahead and pick it, trusting the work that you've done. But here, to see why the other answers are wrong, C says that W is the third piece, which we know can't ever be true because W has to come after T. Answer choice D says that S is the fourth piece, which can't be true because S is second. And E says that T is the last piece, but we know that it can't be last because it has to be in front of W. So the answer is answer choice B.